Thokozani, mkhulu dablamanzi here. Thokozani, everyone. Bokoko na bomkhulu. So, like, I wanted to talk to you about something, Bokoko. Those of you that are saying ukuthi gogo mine tiwasho atingisebenteli, mine muthi awungisebenteli. Gogo, I've been going up and down, but like tindo tami atilungi. Like tiwasho lengititsengako, tindo nje lengititsengako ngithi ngiyasebentisa akusebenzi. Or some things that I'm trying maybe online suwasho combos that I am trying akusebenzi, like put into lesebentako. Okay, into lefana uyati ukuthi guys, meaning I always say this, angat you can go down to my videos ami. What I always tell you ukuthi always pray for whatever that you are using. Even if you buy swasho gimi, now sifike ekhaya lakho sithandazele, siphahlele, and then you use it. Bokoko na bomkhulu. If usithenga at the muthi shop, still sithandazele siphahlele, whatever that you buy and you are using or you are about to use to cleanse yourself or whatever, angati, pray for those things. Tiphahlele, tibike, ucele ukuthi tibe nemandla tisebente empilweni yakho. And another thing lengifuna kuyi-addressa ukuthi sometimes the reason why ukuthi those things are not working empilweni yakho kungukuthi ungcolile, ufeyila, uthakile. Ngeshangana basho njalo. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly because it's been a while. Uthakile, you are dirty. So swasho should be maybe something that you do after. Like swasho into lefana uyisebenzise maybe afterwards. So yeah, maybe elwandle uyogezwa kumbe at the river uyogezwa kumbe uyothulwa kumbe uye angati maybe at the tuka waterfall uyogezwa khona, maybe empophomeni ungeniswe ugezwe mana hayi kancane. So those are some other things that you need to look at, because kunzima la ngaphandle, kunzima, because some of you the way bantu bophe ngakhona kuyahlupha. So angeke umane ukhe etulu, because some of you don't even want to spend money etimpilweni tenu. You prefer to suffer than ukuthi ukhiphe imali. You prefer ukuthi uthenge tshwala ba 4,000 than ukuthi ukhiphe 1.5 or 2.5 ukuthi uyogezwa. Like, that's something that I always don't get and don't understand. Now khona kuleti washo leto uhluleka nokuthenga swasho sa 250 ukuthi uyendeni ufixe impilo yakho. Asiphumeni lapha ngikho lapha. So another thing lefanele yet ukuthi the reason why muthi ungasebenzi empilweni yakho fanele ubuke some other things as well. Because some of you nimbathwe yini madloda asemantini, some of you uthothi unenzunza. I'm not saying ukuthi unayo, maybe unenzunza or unemdzawe wakho asemantini, unesithunywa sasemantini, unedloti lasemantini. So it might be kuthini madloti akho asemantini awawufuni loyo muthi loyo, or abafuni ukuthi vele wena usebenzise muthi emtimbeni wakho. I'm not saying ukuthi everyone lonedloti lasemantini, lonenzunzwa kumbe lonemdzawo akasebenzisi muthi kugeza, kuti cleanser or what not, but lamanye madloti are so strict kuthini bafuna maybe muthi wasemantini, isihlahla sasemantini kumbe isihlahla lesiceleni nasemantini dongasebenzisa wena lesitokusebentela empilweni yakho. So tinto letinye lefanele uti-check ukuthi kahle kahle what is happening empilweni yakho, what is the problem. cause lamanye amadloti like I've said ukuthi strict kakhulu ukuthi awafuni ukuthi usebenzise vele wena muthi at all, and some of you not ukuthi abafuni ukuthi nisebenzise muthi, maybe bafuna ukuthi usebenzise muthi vele lo uphuma khona emantini kumbe lo yoceleni kwemandi, uya understand, kumbe bafuna ukuthi vele usebenzise tiwasho kuphela, so kuyahlukahlukana. That's why ngithini fanele utati ukuthi umbethwe madloti lanjani, fanele wathi madloti akho, cause it's a problem, cause uhambe uwaste imali yakho everywhere, and some other people they bangakhona engeke bakutshela iqiniso, they're gonna give you whatever and you're gonna keep on suffering, you understand. So that's another reason to look into your life, what's happening and why are these things not working. Ngiyaphinza futhi ukuthi some of you banthwese timfene ini what not kuyahlupha, so udzinga kuyogezwa before ungathenga siwasho sa 250 usebenzise 670, ungathenga i-lucky oil, ungathenga whatever oil yemali yani into khona ukuvulela tinto takho. So bogogo nabomkhulu, please check ukuthi kahle kendakala nempilweni yakho. Please gugula impilo yakho. Makhosi lamakhulu, ngiyanthanda, thokozani. I'm out.